Another day, another Maker Advent, and this is actually a test, this little bit. I'm going to be testing to desoldering something before going onto the main board because I don't want to break the main board. So here is the test. I'll just zoom in a little bit for you so you can see what it is. There we go. There is a PCB holder that I got from Temu for a few quid. And initially I looked at it and went, junk. Absolute junk. But that's because I'm an idiot and I was using the wrong size of board. If it's a really big board, then it doesn't really work. So it only goes up to here and this wide. So, you know, that big. So let's give it some proper measurements. Up to approximately 10 centimeters board length and width approximately, we'll say 7 centimeters for ease on that one. So I've put a sacrificial board into this to desolder using my desoldering station. Weird camera angle, 3, 2, 1. There it is over there. There's the wand for it. And it's my precision desoldering station. Let's get that lined up again. There we go. So what I've done is let's bring this nearer to the camera. Got the flux. Put a bit of flux on and I've desoldered that and then resoldered it. Does it still work? Don't know. But it desoldered and it resoldered. So I'm good with that. That was all with hot air. So successful test of this PCB holder. Yay. And successful test with desoldering and resoldering using hot air. So now I can move on to the proper one. And that's going to be the next video. And because time is not linear for Maker Advent, that's going to be the video before this one because it's a bigger job. This was just a test beforehand. Anyway, see you later.